Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you homemade beautiful remedies for tan and soft skin and skin whitening. All these are all purpose covering one face scrub and one bathing cream, as you can see in the picture. So before we get into the video, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button for future notifications. So initially I'm going to show you the scrub powder. So all that ingredients we require only two, as you can see in the screen. We require orange peel and moong dal. So this is the orange peel you can see here. So today's video will be covering these two items only with the orange peel only. So this peel, if you see, it's very dry in nature. I mean, after we use the orange, that peel, we dried it. And the second ingredient, as I shown you, it's a green moong dal. We can even substitute this moong dal with the yellow moong dal also. Moong dal will give you the effect of softness which will be used in scrub. So this peel, if you can see, I have dried it very finely. So if I am going to, I mean, we can break it through our fingers itself. So such a finely you have to dry this. And the moong dal also has to be with a little dried texture. So these two we are going to finely mix, I mean grind in a mixer now. So initially we will grind only the peel off, because this peel will be stucking to your mixer blade. So you have to put little spoon after another and try to grind it finely. Now you can see I made the powder. So if you touch and see, you can feel the fineness. So now we have to add the moong dal, and the quantity how much we are taking the peel, the same quantity we will be taking the green moong dal also. I prefer green moong dal because the quantity will become more when you use this. So both together I have finely mixed here. It's become a fine powder. Still, if you want to make it still more finer, then you can just filter it. Even this also you can use. And once we get all that fine powder, we have to store it in a airtight box. This aram say, I mean, this you can use for 6 to 8 months for scrubbing. And this powder you can even mix with milk, warm water when you start using it. I'll show you how to use also. So it's suggested to use twice in a week to get the best results. See, I'm taking here little quantity of the powder. So based on your usage, if it is for face, neck and hands also you can use. This is a look warm water as per the necessity to make a thick cream. I'm taking the water. Apart from this warm water, even you can use warm milk also. That will also help in whitening the skin. So this cream, it will help you to remove the tan. And it also make your skin soften, whiten. From the first use itself, you can make out the difference. See, I'm showing you. Some 10 to 15 minutes in a circular way for the face and hands and all, you can apply the scrub. With very minimum expenses at home only, you can make nice scrub. So when you feel it is little dried up, you can even give a touch up with the water and again give a circular motions. So in the first usage itself, you can make out the softness. Now we will see the second item. Second item with the fresh peel. So when you use the same that day's oranges, after that left out peel, you can make a very good fragrance filled bathing paste, and this can be stored for a week in the refrigerator temperature. See that peel? I'm cutting into small pieces to again grind it. So as shown in the scrub, even in this also, adding some water, I'm going to mix it. If you are using the same day, you can use the milk also for grinding purpose. But to store, better to use water. See, finally I grind it. This you can store in an airtight container to the refrigerator temperature for around 5 to 7 days. I'll show you the usage procedure also. So for our bathing purpose, how much ever quantity we require, we can take into a cup. And to this, we are going to add basin powder. And if it is kids between 8 to 15 years, even you can add moong dal powder itself because that will give you more softened skin. Along with basin powder also, if you want one more spoon moong dal powder also we can add because basin powder usually it will give you little rough texture. So to compensate that you can add moong dal powder also. And this you can use in daily basis also. See it is like a fine cream. When you apply it you can feel it. So this is how you can use the same cream also. In this these two products you can feel the difference from the first use itself. You can see here a kind of glowishness to my hand because I used both the products at the same time. Even the softness is also a little bit changed. So you can personally experience the same by using the products. Hope these two products will be very much useful to you. Please give a trial and mention your comments in our comment section. And those who have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button for future notifications. Thank you so much.